Sorry about that. Okay, so it's like the back room. This is my grandma's room. This switch over. And then through here, this little hallway, this is the garden. And this is where we eat. This used to be where we used to eat, but now it's empty. And this is where we pray. We come back over here. Outside now. You go up here to get out. But I'm just gonna go down. Oh. New house. This is the kitchen. I went in from the side door. There's another door. And this is like this is the front door over here. When you get in, it's where we eat. There's all these memories of pictures on the walls. Then come over here. This is the bathroom. Washing machine. Looks good. Bathtub. This is the toilet. There's two. They're the same. There's another door to the outside. And then go over here. This is like a playroom, I don't know. This is what you see outside. The corner right there, see that little dome looking thing? There's three things. That's by the garden. More vegetable patches. These little books. Piano, organ. Let's go back outside. I don't know if you can hear me in this, but outside. Show you the garden. Because up to over there was my grandma told me to get broccoli. All the water here is spring water from the dam. This is another house. It's two rooms. This is where I used to live when I was little. Scissors. This is where they keep the rice. This is where they make front. Oh, I forgot to show you upstairs, but it's just two rooms. I guess I'll show you when I come back. I don't know where to get the broccoli, but yeah, I don't know. So I'm gonna show you. The upstairs. This house. from the